Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, but I am back in the game now and I decided to do a little video unboxing the July Look Fantastic box bag, purely because it is a really nice box this month and I thought I would share it with you all. Before we get into the video, I just want to thank you all for getting my little channel to 300 subscribers. It's only small, but I appreciate every single one of you. And I also have a new camera. So I have purchased the Sony ZV-1. I will link it in the description below for any of you thinking about buying a new camera and you don't know which one to buy. But so far I've had a little play about with the Sony and I am really impressed with its quality. So fingers crossed when I edit this video, it's as good as it looks on camera on a screen. So yeah, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of beauty unboxing testing content. But without further ado, let us dive into July's Look Fantastic box bag. So lookfantastic.com do a beauty subscription box every month with a range of skincare products, makeup, hair care. It just gives you the chance to try loads of different brands and products that you might not necessarily have tried before. And this is my third month now subscribed to the Look Fantastic beauty box. And this month is probably my favourite month. So in the box you get a little magazine and this theme for this month is Wanderlust. So this is the little magazine you get and it has a little bit about each product in it, which is really handy. And they've got a cute little beauty A to Z travel edition with a few hints and tips on how to use certain products. And we've got a little bit on this month's inspiration as well. And yeah, it's a really cute magazine edit this month. So instead of a box this month, we were actually given a little travel bag, which is so cute. I love the colour of it. It's kind of like neutral greyish colour, which is kind of my life at the moment. It's kind of like a faux leather effect with a little handle and a full clear front, so you can see exactly where everything is inside. I'm just going to dive in and just grab the first product. So the first product is the Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray by Grow Gorgeous. So this would be really good if you live in a city or near a main road as just part of your usual like hair care regime. So you spray it on damp hair and then style as usual. That is probably the best smelling hair product I have ever smelled. That smells like a really nice, expensive salon hair care product. I think I've got some on my nose. It feels nice as well. It feels quite oily, to be fair. So maybe avoid your roots with it. I don't know, I'll have to test it and try it out, but I love the scent. I do like the feel of it and it just looks really pretty as well. Hopefully the camera's focusing. I have no idea. It's going to be a learning process. So the next product is the LMSS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So this apparently has kombucha in it. Now I'm not entirely sure what that is. I think it's like a fermented tea drink. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to actually be shimmery. It's got a really nice clean scent to it. And I don't know if you can tell, but it has a very slight sheen to it. I bet this would be really lovely under foundation or under some BB cream, especially in the summer. So this also has ginger and green tea seed oil in it. Like I said, it smells really nice. It's a moisturizing primer, so perfect to go underneath your makeup. So I'm quite excited to use that. So next we have a Cucumber Soothe and Moisturize Hydrating Gradual Glow. This is a face and body tan mist by Mine. Never heard of this company before, but I do love a tanning mist, especially for your face. I don't really want to spray this on my hand and smell it because, I mean, obviously I'll have like just a patch of tan in one spot on my hand, so that's probably not a good idea. But I want to smell it. What can I spray it on? Wow, you can really smell the cucumber actually in that. That is really nice. I'm intrigued to see if that smells like, you know, the typical fake tan smell when it dries, but so far that just smells like cucumber. So the next product is actually in plastic. So I'm just going to remove that. Why? So next up we have the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. This is in shade 225 called Rose Wine. This is probably the item in here that I'm least impressed by. I don't really go for Revlon products. I mean, it's a nice colour and it has no scent to it whatsoever. I do like a lipstick that has a little bit of a scent to it. That's actually a really pretty satin colour. It is nice to receive a lipstick in these subscription boxes, but they tend to all be a very, very similar colour. So I have quite a lot of peachy toned reds and nudes. And the packaging is kind of a bit loose and rattly, but it's a pretty colour, so I will probably wear it. Next up we have a tiny little tester of the Beyond Liquid Highlighter in shade Oh My God by Illamasqua. Let's swatch this. Wow, that is glowy. So I've just swatched that next to the lipstick. Hopefully you can see it in the light. It is a very pretty golden colour. I'd say it is quite a strong shade of gold, especially if you've got really fair skin. But actually if you use it really sparingly and really spread it, it does blend really nicely. And I think it would work on both your lighter and your darker skin tones actually. Can't wait to use it, and it's Illamasqua, so you can't go wrong, even though it's teeny tiny. So the last product is by Starskin VIP. This is the 7-Second Luxury All Day Mask. It's a 7-in-1 Miracle Skin Mask Pad. And apparently it combines a 7-step skincare routine into one mask. And they kind of look like little pads that you just glide over your skin. So this will be really nice to use actually when you're in a rush but you're having a bad skin day, or on holiday when you don't want to take 17 different products. Because if you're like me and you have a skincare addiction, I end up taking about a suitcase worth of skincare with me wherever I go. So this is what the bag looks like without anything in it. It is quite a decent sized bag actually. You can definitely fit quite a few toiletries in that. It's got a cute little tag inside as well with Look Fantastic written on it. And it also has Look Fantastic Beauty Box written on the back. I think it was such a nice idea to swap the box for a bag this time, especially with all of the products that it came with this month. The price of this box is ridiculous compared to what was in it this month. So if you're thinking about a beauty box, I would definitely recommend Look Fantastic. And you can actually sign up to a month, 3-month, 6 or 12-month subscription, and obviously the longer subscription you take out, the cheaper each monthly box works out. And I will pop my discount code on screen now, because using that you can get 20% off any subscription, which when you look at the products that you get, I mean, it's a no-brainer really, isn't it? So that is it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this month's Look Fantastic box with me. Please remember to subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!